This video covers how to order a stencil for your surface mount PCB. Here we have the Solder 3 Workshop SMD PCB open in Fusion in the PCB view. First, let's turn off all the layers. So under your display layers, turn it all off. Then we'll turn on layer 31, T cream right here. And we'll also turn on layer 20, the dimension layer. This should include all areas on the PCB that will need solder paste. Click on the Manufacturing tab, click on the Manufacturing drop-down and select CAM Processor. Click on Solder Paste Top, and here you will see layer 31, T cream, and this is all of the SMD pads that we need to apply solder paste to. If this doesn't contain all of your parts, you can quickly add it by pressing on the layer button and adding whatever layer that you need to add. If I were to select T-stop and add T-stop, that would add the via holes and the actual holes in the board to be open for solder paste. But since I don't want that, I'm going to remove T-stop, hit OK, and I'm going to hit Process Job. I'll save mine to downloads. When the job completes, click Open Folder. Look for your name, Fusion's default folder, then the folder name of your project in Fusion, and keep drilling down until you find your Gerber Files folder. Open it to find the solder paste _ top or bottom Gerber file. This is the file we'll need. Go to oshstencils.com and select Upload Design. Go in and find the file we just looked at. For me, it's on the top side. Click OK. Sometimes I do get things wrong. The file has been uploaded. In here, you're going to type a project name. I'm just going to call mine Test 5. And I'm going to hit Create Project. And then I'm going to select Generate Stencils. First, I need to select which project. It literally goes by the file name. And this is the one at the bottom should be the last one that you uploaded. And I can rename the project here to Test 5. And there, now it's actually, you can see what project your stencil is connected to. Under Test 5, you're going to click Top Stencil. And then you're going to select your material type. If you're going to use it over and over and over, you should get maybe a frameless stencil. 3 mils is pretty thick. 4 mils ever so slightly more expensive. If you're only going to use this once or twice, I recommend just a polyamide film. And you can get that in 3 or 5. Those are going to be your cheaper solutions. And then you can actually add text to it. I recommend adding your PCB name and your version number. I'll call this Blink 5.6. And if I click out of there and hit Save Settings, add this to your cart and order it. It should arrive within 1 week to 1 week and a half. Now you can easily apply solder paste to your PCB. Come into the lab to solder paste your PCB. Place your components and reflow your PCB quickly. You must apply the solder paste, place your parts, and reflow your board before the solder paste dries out. So you have to do this fairly quickly.